Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AWS IAM policies for least privilege data access, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin with, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Identity and Access Management, or IAM, service. Once in the IAM dashboard, click on Policies in the left-hand sidebar. Select Create Policy to initiate the policy creation process. You will be prompted to choose between the Visual Editor or JSON. The Visual Editor is user-friendly, so we will use that for this guide. Select the service you want the policy for, such as S3 or DynamoDB. Next, choose the specific actions you want to allow or deny. For least privilege access, limit actions to only what is necessary. After defining the actions, specify the resources those actions will apply to. Use ARN format to define specific resources for maximum security. Once you have defined actions and resources, click on Next, Tags. Tags can help with management but are optional in this case. Proceed to click Next, Review to view your policy settings. Provide a clear name for your policy, followed by a description. Ensure that the policy complies with the least privilege principle. Click on Create Policy to finalize your new policy. Now, go back to the IAM dashboard and click on Roles or Users. Select the user or role that requires the new policy attachment. In the Permissions tab, click on Add Permissions. Choose Attach Policies to begin the policy attachment process. Search for the policy you just created using the name you specified. Check the box next to your policy to select it. Finally, click on Next, Review to confirm the permissions. Click Add Permissions to apply the policy to the selected user or role. You have now successfully connected an IAM policy for least privilege data access. To verify, perform a test using the user or role with the new permissions. Ensure they can only access the resources specified in the policy. Adjust the policy as needed if any additional permissions are required. Document all changes for audit and compliance purposes. This concludes the step-by-step guide for connecting AWS IAM policies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.